Alright, y'all, so we were back at the Homestead home in Florida, and y'all might remember that 1999 Janitrol package unit that was right here. Well, it looks like it bit the dust and it got replaced with a new Goodman. All nice and shiny right there. Although I wish I can get a closer look at it. Actually, you know what? Maybe I can. There's a fan sitting here for some reason. Let's go see the new unit. Ooh, chicken scared the crap out of me. It's got a Copeland scroll down there. From 2018, that's a 310. It's a nice, brand new design. It's really quiet. Well, I guess they got a new unit right now. It's a good one. Let's get out of shoe. There's like a fan sitting here for some reason. They actually set the fan on top of the Janitrol because that unit was extremely hot. The unit got replaced because it was very inefficient. That's what they said. So, we got a chicken right there. That literally scared the crap out of me when I was walking in through. But yeah, that Janitrol finally got replaced. And it was actually from 1999. It was actually 20 years old. So, got Alex. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. We got a chicken walking by the Goodman. Anyway, thank you for watching.